Alright, so today we're going to be making a YouTube banner for your channel, and I use an iPhone, and you can also have an Android use that as well, and I also use free apps. So if you're looking to make a banner on your phone using free apps, then this is the video for you. And make sure to like this video as well as subscribe so you don't miss out on any future how-to videos. Let's start. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is you want to open the app called Phonto. We're going to be making the actual banner first. Okay, so the first thing that we do is we go into Phonto and we're going to be sizing the banner. So we click on the camera icon, then you click on plain images, then you click on the white image, then you click at the top with the sizing numbers. That will bring up this where you want to hit custom, and then you want to put your size in. The size is going to be 2560 by 423. After you hit done, you're going to want to click on the upper right hand corner and just click on use and save. From here, you'll just basically want to go into one of your favorite apps, or you can even go into Google and look for a background image that you want to be the background for your banner. Just keep in mind when you're looking for a background for your banner, the YouTube banners are real wide and they're real thin. So whatever picture that you choose is going to be a real small portion of that picture. So that's why personally I always go for sunsets, something with a pretty color versus a whole picture that I want, because it would be pretty hard to get that whole picture in it. After you find the picture that you want to be your background, you'll just want to save it to your camera roll. And then you'll want to go back into the Phonto app, and in the lower left hand corner you'll want to click on that icon. And you'll want to click on Add Image. Once you add the image, you're going to size it, and you're going to just want to make it real big until it covers the whole entire banner. You're going to want to save the image by clicking on the right hand lower side icon. After you save the image, you're going to want to click on the middle icon, the camera icon, and you're going to want to open that image that you just saved. And then in the upper right hand corner, you just want to hit done. Alright, so next you can add the text that you want. So I'm going to put Britt Renee for my channel, and then I'm going to choose the font that I want. And all this is really optional, pretty much up to what you want. I personally like to use the stroke option, where it gives the text an outline and makes it just stand out more. Also, if you click on that move button, you can also center it as well. So I'm not sure if you're new to YouTube or not, but pretty much when you start a channel, you want to have something in your banner that pretty much gives viewers an idea of what your channel is about. So here, that's pretty much what I'm doing. I'm just putting how-tos and edits. And I usually like to put that smaller underneath my channel name. Something else I like to do that is completely optional to you is I like to post new videos every week because I do post new videos every single week, and that also gives viewers an idea right off the bat that you are consistent with your channel, and that also gives viewers a reason to want to subscribe to your channel. Alright, so next what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the bottom left hand corner and click Add Image, and then I'm going to go and find my PNG image that I want to put next to my text. A PNG image is the image without the background. So for example, if you save a picture to your phone, it's going to have that square background on it, and this just makes it transparent, so that way it's just the image that you want and not any background. And if you're interested in learning how to save a image and turn it into a PNG image, I also have a how-to video on that, and just click the link above. You can also add any more images that you want to your banner as well. For this banner, I'm just gonna be a little bit more creative and use something that Phonto has. And I'm gonna go into the bottom left-hand corner, and I'm gonna click on the top one that says Add Item. And I'm just gonna use the hearts. And I'm just gonna place them next to my text, sort of in the middle, just to add a little bit more cuteness, I guess, to the banner. Okay, so now that I'm done with my banner, I'm going to go to the bottom right hand corner, and I'm going to click Save Image. Alright, so the next thing that you want to do is you want to click the middle icon, the middle camera icon, and you want to click on Plain Images. After you click on Plain Images, you want to click on the white image, click the top middle button to size it, and this time you're going to want to make it 2560 by 1440. Once you do that, you're going to want to go to the top right hand corner and click Use and Save. From here, you're going to want to go to Google Images, and you're going to want to look up YouTube banner templates. And once you get there, you're going to want to save the gray YouTube banner template to your phone. From here, you're going to want to go back into your Phonto app, and you should still have that sized white plain image. By clicking on the lower left hand icon, you'll want to add image, and you'll want to add that YouTube template that you just saved. You're going to want to size it to make it the same exact size as this white plain image, and just do it the best you can. From there, you're going to want to add another image, and you're going to want to add the banner that you created. You're going to want to size that up so that way it's the size that we made it. And you're going to want to center it right in the middle of that YouTube template. Then carefully click on the YouTube channel template and remove it. Once you remove that, you'll have the banner in the middle of the white image, and you'll want to go to the bottom right hand corner, and you'll want to save image. Unfortunately, YouTube doesn't have the option of uploading the banner through your phone, so you will have to send that image to your computer and upload it to YouTube that way. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you in the next video.